Tired of that T-Mobile voicemail notification that just won't go away? It's a common issue, often stemming from a mismatch between your phone's app data and T-Mobile's servers. This happens when the app fails to properly sync after you've listened to or deleted a voicemail. Think of it like this. Your phone still thinks you have a new message, even though you don't. Notifications are triggered by the app polling T-Mobile's servers. If a voicemail is marked as read on the device but not synced properly, for example, due to poor connectivity or app bugs, the notification reappears. This is common in push notification systems reliant on Firebase cloud messaging for Android. The quickest fixes involve managing your T-Mobile voicemail app's data. First, try clearing the app's cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the problem, without affecting your settings or data. If that doesn't work, the next step is an app reset. This is like a fresh install of the app's data and can resolve deeper issues. To clear cache or reset the app, go to your phone's settings, find Apps, then locate the T-Mobile voicemail app. From there, you should see options to clear the cache and/or reset the app. If problems continue, ensure notifications are enabled in Android settings and check for Do Not Disturb modes or third-party apps interfering. For iOS users, less affected but still reported, similar steps apply via the T-Mobile app or carrier settings. If all else fails, consider contacting T-Mobile support to reinitialize your voicemail service.